Controversial docking along Spain's Canary Islands. Nearly 150 people still on board. All are potentially exposed to that deadly virus.
Hi everyone. In this episode, we dive into the recent Hantavirus outbreak aboard the MV Hondius, which has captured global attention. Departing Argentina's Patagonia on April 1, 2026, en route to the Canary Islands, this incident has sparked headlines with 5 confirmed cases and 3 deaths, including a Dutch couple and a German national by May 7th. Likely sparked by the Andes virus from pre-boarding tours, the World Health Organization rates the public risk low due to limited spread, but the 1 to 8 week incubation period keeps investigations ongoing, with quarantines and evacuations in place. This modern maritime scare sets the stage for a full understanding of hantavirus. Hantavirus particles are enveloped single-stranded RNA viruses that target vascular endothelial cells, causing leakage and organ failure. Transmission occurs mainly via aerosolized rodent excreta, urine, droppings, or saliva from dusty areas like cabins or sheds. Direct contact or rare bites also spread it, with person-to-person transmission limited to strains like Andes. Prevent it by sealing homes, using gloves or masks for cleanup, and trapping rodents. Named after South Korea's Hantan River, hantavirus has a long history spanning from ancient descriptions to modern outbreaks. Its story reflects centuries of mystery, wartime tragedies, and scientific breakthroughs in virology. Records suggest that hantavirus-like hemorrhagic fevers appeared in ancient Chinese texts such as the Wang Lee, which describe kidney-affecting illnesses during the Warring States period. Similar cases of trench nephritis emerged during the US Civil War and World War I among soldiers in wet trenches, possibly due to rodent exposure. Scientific accounts began in 1913 to 1914 in Vladivostok, Russia, with reports of endemic fever in East Asia. In 1942, German and Finnish troops in Sala, Finland suffered a mysterious outbreak later traced to the Pulmonary in bank walls, identified in 1980. Meanwhile, approximately 10,000 Japanese soldiers in Manchuria contracted hemorrhagic fever with renal syndrome, HFRS. The pivotal moment came during the Korean War, 1951 to 1954. Nearly 3,000 UN soldiers near South Korea's Hantan River fell ill with Korean hemorrhagic fever, dubbed epidemic HFRS. In 1976, Korean virologist Wang Lee linked it to striped field mice, Apodemus agrarius, via sera tests on survivors. He isolated the Hantan virus in 1978, the first hantavirus, from rodent lungs. Electron microscopy in 1981 confirmed it as a member of the Bunyaviridae family without arthropod vectors. The World Health Organization standardized hemorrhagic fever with renal syndrome in 1982. Hantaviruses were named after Hantan in 1985. The genus Hantavirus was formed in 1987. Lee's Hantavax vaccine, 1990, targeted Asian strains like Hantan in Seoul, but isn't approved in Europe or the US. In May 1993, the Four Corners outbreak, Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah, killed young, healthy people via acute respiratory distress. Nombre virus in deer mice caused Hantavirus pulmonary syndrome, HPS, the first confirmed New World case. The US Army Medical Research Institute of Infectious Diseases isolated it by November 1993. Argentina's 1996 Andes virus cluster revealed human-to-human transmission, unprecedented for hantaviruses. From Hantan River origins, thanks to Wang Lee's breakthrough, to today's cruise ship alerts, hantavirus underscores rodent control as key prevention. No specific cure exists. Hygiene and vigilance save lives.